Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a Rakuten account. First, open your browser and go to Rakuten.com. On the home page, click Join Now or Join for Free. Both take you to the registration page. Next, enter your email address and create a password. If you have a referral code, you can add it here, but it's totally optional. You'll also see an option to receive updates about deals and cashback offers. Check it if you want to stay informed. Once everything looks good, click the purple Join Now button. Rakuten will create your account and show you the latest cashback offers available on the site. If you're using Google Chrome, I recommend installing the Rakuten browser extension. It automatically shows you cashback rates whenever you visit supported stores like Amazon, JD Sports, Just Eat, and many more. Just click Activate when it appears. Shop as usual, and your cashback will be tracked automatically. And that's it. That's how to create a Rakuten account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.